Hey everybody, it's Stephanie, aka Business Chic Mama. I hope this video finds you safe, happy, and well during this time of the coronavirus and this uncertainty during the world. But we have to try to move forward, stay positive, pray, and help our fellow humans. So today's video is a quick one. I'm going to show you how to make easy DIY hand sanitizer with 3 simple ingredients. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing you need is aloe, and I cut some aloe. I'm in Florida here, so aloe is abundant, so I just went ahead and cut that. And you just need to rinse it to get rid of all the sap, which is actually yellow, and it's kind of can sting and irritate the skin. And then you need alcohol, which you need a minimum of 60% alcohol for it to be effective. And then you need any type of essential oils that are oils you can use on your skin, not the ones you put in the potpourri oils, the fragrances, okay? So the first thing you're going to do, and then you need also a masher to mash it. We're not going to use a blender, but of course you can blend it as well. But the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cut your aloe, kind of like filleting a fish. You're going to cut, and we're going to be careful if you're using a sharp knife. And I'm going to go ahead and do that, because we're going to go ahead and get right to the actual part of the aloe, which is that gelatin type. And I'm going to do this fairly quickly because I just want to show you guys the gist of it without going through a full big tutorial, because I know we all want to get things done very quickly. Okay, I'm going to cut the back. See how it's like a clear gel? That's the actual aloe. This is so soothing for the skin. Just make sure you get rid of all that yellow sap. And I'm just going to do a small piece right now, again, because this is just going to give you the gist of the whole idea of how to make this. And it's crazy. Never thought I would be having to make my own hand sanitizer. But then again, we've got a lot of craziness going on right now amongst us. Okay, so after you go ahead and do that, I'm not the best at knives, like cutting things, so just excuse me if I'm, doing it a little bit kind of funky right here. Not perfect, but better than nothing. Okay, then we're going to get all that green off. So we have the gel. Now some people put this in the blender. They have a large amount. They put it in the blender and then strain it. I'm just going to mash it. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to mash it. Just like this. And then what I'm going to do, since you do that for about 5-10 minutes, mash it up so it's kind of breaking apart. Okay, then we're going to take alcohol, and you want to do at least 50%. So this is just, again, a small amount of aloe. And then we're going to take the essential oil. You're going to use about 10 drops, so it smells really nice. And then we're going to mix it. So again, you want at least 60% alcohol, and we're going to mix this. And so now you have, you can put this inside a container. And you've got some Aloe Hand Sanitizer. Keep mixing this up till this gel part is broken up, but let me smell. It smells a little like alcohol, but it definitely does the job. All right, that's it, guys. Hope you're safe and healthy. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please share, like, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos on business. And I'll be throwing in some DIY projects as well. Take care, guys.